Hello all. Today we are going to discuss how to use Phantasm into HTML page. What we need to do is we need to use one link, that is CDN. For that we have to go to this link, Phantasm link. From the library we can get the CDN. After that this CDN we need to insert into head. Let's go to this link, and here if you scroll down you can see all minim.css. You can copy this CDN, open your Visual Studio Code, create new file like phantasm.html, write the HTML normal tags, and here whatever you copied you need to paste it here. Okay, after that in the body you can use that icons. The next step what we need to do is we need to go to this Phantasm link, and whatever icon that is needed we can copy and we can use it. Let's go to this link. I have taken new tab and pasting here. If you check here, let's say I want to use phone, and if you click on search, here some suggestions will come. When I click on phone icon, it will open like this. No, you have to click here and go to Visual Studio Code and paste it here, and open this file. When you open this file you can see phone icon. This is how we can use Phantasm into HTML page. Thank you.